Hello everyone, welcome to the Upfront. Rahul Gandhi's recent speech in Parliament has caused considerable concern for the Modi government, particularly due to the unpredictable nature of the photos he displays during his addresses. In the first session of the 18th Lok Sabha, Gandhi showed a photo of Lord Shiva and criticized the BJP and the RSS, highlighting aspects of Hinduism. Despite BJP's attempts to twist his words, Gandhi's remarks were defended by prominent Swamis like Shankaracharya. During the budget session, Gandhi introduced another impactful photo, causing immediate reactions from Speaker Om Birla and resulting in Sansad TV avoiding coverage of the images he presented. Gandhi quipped in Parliament that showing a photo is enough to turn the camera towards the speaker, showcasing BJP's discomfort with his displays. Throughout the Lok Sabha election campaign, Gandhi echoed Kanshiram's slogan, "Jiski jitni hissedari, uski utni bagidari," advocating for equal representation based on population and promising a nationwide caste census. Once again, he brought the stark realities of the caste system to Parliament, exposing the systematic exclusion of Dalits, minorities, tribals, and backward communities from power centers. Gandhi revealed that only 2 participants in the budget preparation were from minority or OBC communities and highlighted this through a photo of the traditional halwa ceremony at the finance ministry.
बजट का जो हलवा है सर ये बट रहा है और इस फोटो में सर मुझे एक ओबीसी अफसर नहीं दिख रहा, एक आदिवासी अफसर नहीं दिख रहा, एक दलित अफसर नहीं दिख रहा मुझे। ये हो क्या रहा है सर? सर देश का हलवा बट रहा है सर और इसमें 73% का एक है ही नहीं। सर ये आप लोग हलवा खा रहे हो और बाकी देश को हलवा मिल ही नहीं रहा है। ठीक है सर, 20 अफसरों ने बजट को तैयार किया, हमने पता लगाया है। 20 अफसर, शांत हो जाइए प्लीज सर। 20 अफसरों ने, उनके नाम मेरे पास है, अगर आप नाम चाहते हैं मैं दे दूंगा। 20 अफसरों ने हिंदुस्तान का बजट तैयार किया है। मतलब हिंदुस्तान का जो हलवा है 20 लोगों ने बांटने का काम किया है। अब स्पीकर सर, उन 20 लोगों में से 90% लोगों में से सिर्फ 2 हैं, एक माइनॉरिटी और एक ओबीसी, और इस फोटो में एक भी नहीं है। मतलब फोटो में आपने पीछे कर दिया, फोटो में तो आने नहीं दिया आपने, कोई नहीं आ सकता।
Despite the speaker's protests, he emphasized the deep-rooted caste system in India, showing that among the officials in the photo, none were from the backward communities. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's laughter and reaction to Gandhi's metaphor on the halwa ceremony shows the finance ministry's indifference to this critical issue. While Sitharaman's response was dismissive, Gandhi's remarks resonated deeply, indicating BJP's neglect of weaker sections in the society. Sitharaman doesn't know the impact if Dalit leaders like Chirag Paswan, Jitan Ram Manjhi and Ramdas Athawale distance themselves from BJP. Prime Minister Modi knows it very well. His awareness of the crucial role of caste in politics reflected in alliances like the one with Nitish Kumar. Despite Sitharaman's dismissive attitude towards the caste census, Gandhi stressed its importance, stating that 95% of the population supports it. He criticized the finance minister for trivializing such a serious issue and reiterated his commitment to implementing the caste census to ensure justice for the marginalized. In a social media post, Gandhi said, "We will implement the caste census at any cost and provide justice to the deprived. India Alliance will bring the country's X-ray to everyone," he said.